Hi people, the weather's finally warmed up a bit here. Got a bit of free time, so let's get this one out. Do a little bit of shooting. Let's see how it goes. Gonna get it bagged up because, you know, nosy neighbours. Let's get outside, have a little test. I'm gonna take the scope off though, obviously, because it's not the same thing doing a review with a new scope, but we'll chuck it on as well, have a little go. It should be sighted in pretty well. Let's get it bagged up, get out, stay tuned. Time we done a little test out, see how it shoots. Let's that paper target down. I'm gonna check how many meters that is in a sec, so bear with me and I'll tell you in the next part. I'm gonna load it all up off camera, guys. If you're interested in how it all works and all that shit, check out the first video. It's literally just gonna be shooting a day. Gonna stick a couple rounds through, a couple of megs through, just paper target, trying to hit me little zombie knockdown target, and I was sitting down there, which I doubt it actually knock them down. Then I'm gonna do a meg or two, hopefully, with a scope on. That scope is pretty sighted in. I had that on the Barrett the other week and that worked well, so let's get loaded up and have a little test. Stay with us. Right guys, you must know by now I'm not setting up two cameras, so you're gonna have to watch me shoot on this one. I'll stick the camera down there on the next one. As simple as that. Take my word from it. About 8.5, 9 metres from where I'm going to sit down at the paper target, so hopefully get some decent results. So it's very, very quiet. A bit disappointing. Let's have a look. Yep, you got me. Take the safety off her. Higher from where I'm shooting. Got one more. About there. I don't shoot nowhere near the middle. I'm aiming for centre the whole time. I'm not even that far away. Not bad grouping, but I'm literally aiming for that centre. It's going nowhere near it, which is a bit concerning to me. Let's have a go at the old still targets and see how that goes, because be a bit more accurate. See what happens. I'll stick the camera down here, hopefully get a front view this time. That was over way quicker than expected. Let's just checking because I hit the wood. I just wanted to see if it's actually gone in, but no, I barely even touched it. It's not very powerful at all, but that is that ain't very good grouping. It's a bit all over the place. It seems to, and they are Crossman black ones, Black Widows as well. So not even crap BB and Umrex CO2. So we can't even blame them. That is a bit weak. It's fun. You can hit some cans with it. Nothing to point out. Now let me just go back a bit. Right, so something I did notice is definitely not as clanky. Something like the Hellboy. I'm pretty sure you can hear it in the trigger. It's quite nice and smooth. Good sprint to it. But it's just very, very weak. Be handy if we get these upgraded, really. I think that CO2 is getting a bit weak, but I'm just going to stick the old sight on and have another go at that target and see what happens. Right, guys, have a little go with the scope. I don't think it's too good. I had a couple of shots, but totally missing. CO2 is definitely getting low. Yeah. That CO2 is way too low. So I come more in quick. These things just take so long to load up though, really. Well, not too long, but they ain't great. Yeah, hold it alright, funny angle, you better fling it towards you. Right, just stick one more mag for it. I'm pretty sure that CO2's run out. That's probably going to go for a double shot then more. You definitely got to whack this up and all. It's very stiff. I can safely say that he's dead. So we got like 3.5 mags out of that. Yeah, ain't too sad. Obviously I'm wobbly as hell, guys. I had a lurgish for the last couple of days, so I ain't going well. A bit weak as fuck, but never mind. I'd say I'm gonna have another go at it in a few days. See what I think. It's definitely better than a Hellboy, but not as powerful, which is a big letdown. Maybe if we get these mags ported. I know there's a company that sell upgraded mags, 500 FPs upwards. So let's see if we can make it happen. I've got a couple of spares of these internals anyway, so I might actually give it a go. I've got like 3 or 4 of them. Let's see what we can do. It's got to be a way of upgrading that. Let's go and grab that target again quick. One sec, guys, be right back. Well, there you have it, people. As I said at the start, halfway through the video, it's not as clunky as the Hellboy. Nowhere near as clunky as something like the HK MP5, okay. Round 1, round 2, round 3. Not too sad. Maybe just, I don't know, maybe just expect more from these things these days. But I definitely think you can power up these mags. There's a company that doesn't, but they only sell it with a gun, which is a bit stupid. But I've got like 3 or 4 of them internal bits, so I'm going to probably give it a go. Do a bit of mag bolting, just take the valve out, drill some big rolls up. I don't think it'd be too bad. But there you have it, guys. That's the best I can tell you right now. Bit mixed feelings on it. I think it's good, but I don't think it's worth the extra money they put on them lately. So when I post that first video, they went up a tenner, which not good in my eyes. People ain't got them yet, and they're sticking the price up because they've had a few videos. Not good. As for Huntsman, not very good replies on things I've been trying to speak to them about, so take your chance with them, guys. I'm not directing anyone to them. But thanks for watching. Hopefully, to give you a better opinion what it's like. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and enjoy your day.